wish someone sat me down and said, hey, programming is not what you think it is. So here are 7 things I wish I knew when I start programming, so you don't suffer like I did. If you're learning to code right now, this video might save you a month of confusion, stress, and unnecessary pain. 1. Programming is not about memorizing code. Let me tell you a secret. No real programmer memorizes code. If memorizing syntax was the job, Google would already be the best programmer in the world. You learn how to think, not how to remember semicolons. And yes, everyone forgets syntax. Everyone. 2. Being confused means you're doing it right. When I started programming, I thought, if I'm confused, I must be bad at this. Wrong. If you're confused, stuck, and slightly questioning your life choices, congratulations, you're learning. Programming is basically confusion. Google, confusion, bug, confusion, it works. 3. Tutorials are lying to you. Tutorials make everything look easy. They say, and now we just built the app. Just. But the moment you try alone, nothing works. That's normal. Tutorials are training wheels. Learning starts when you build something bad and broken. 4. Discipline beats talent every time. I thought I needed motivation. Well, I didn't. I needed discipline. 30 minutes every day beats 5 hours once a week. You don't become good at programming by feeling inspired. You become good by showing up, even when it's boring. 5. Debugging is the job. I used to think debugging meant I failed. Nope. Debugging is programming. You'll spend more time fixing bugs than writing new code. And yes, sometimes the bug is just one missing character. We've all been there. 6. Reading code is a superpower. Nobody tells beginners this. Reading other people's code is just as important as writing your own. You learn a structure, a style, and how real projects are built. At first it looked scary, then one day it started making sense. 7. You'll never feel ready to start anyway. You'll never feel ready, not ready to build a project, not ready to apply for a job, not ready to call yourself a programmer. And that's okay, you become ready by doing, not by writing. If you're struggling right now, you're not behind. You're exactly where every programmer has been. Keep going. If this video helped you, subscribe for more honest programming content and tell me in the comments which one of these hit you the hardest.